The Pentagon is annoyed at Anthropic because Anthropic, from their high tower of philosophical AI alignment, they don't want to let people use AI in some ways. And it turns out, unfortunately, that the military, the US military, wants to use AI for its military, but the military has to kill people. That's the goal of a military at the end of the day. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth is close to cutting business ties with Anthropic and designating the AI company a supply chain risk, meaning anyone who wants to do business with the US military has to cut ties with the company. That's crazy. A senior Pentagon official told Axios, the senior official said it will be an enormous pain in the ass to disentangle, and we are going to make sure they pay a price for forcing our hand like this. I think Anthropic has gotten a few big contracts with the Pentagon alongside OpenAI, alongside maybe XAI and Google. And out of the 4 big AI companies, Anthropic is the only one that's very annoying because they always want to look very specifically at everything they do, and they always want to pass every decision that the military might take through the ethics filter or whatever. That is, a very serious topic at Anthropic, because like every day Dario Amodei, the CEO, is sending all these big philosophical essays on the Anthropic Slack, Friction point. A senior administration official said that competing models are just behind. When it comes to specialized government applications, it's only OpenAI right now that is either at the same range or maybe slightly above, especially with 5.3 codex now, above Anthropic's performance. The intrigue. The Pentagon's hardball with Anthropic sets the tone for its negotiations with OpenAI, Google, and XAI, all of which have agreed to remove their safeguards for use in the military's unclassified system, but are not yet used for more sensitive classified work. I mean, also, we don't know what the Pentagon wants to do with this, right? Like, they're not going to make that public because everything is top secret, of course. We're not sure. I can imagine Trump's Pentagon wanting to do some crazy, reckless things with the system. So, in a way, maybe Anthropic is not too much to blame. But even though in the correct context, it seems probable that, the philosophical stance of the company might be to blame to an extent for this weird, positioning.